Did you know that one simple setting could be holding back your YouTube channel from getting tons of views? In today's video, we are diving straight into one setting you need to turn on right now to make sure you are not missing out any potential views. This could be a game changer for your channel. YouTube has a hidden feature that most creators overlook, and that is the embedding option. If this setting isn't turned on, you are cutting off a huge source of traffic. Stick around till the end of this video. I will show you exactly how to enable it and why it matters so much for your growth. In today's video, we are talking about 3 things: why embedding is crucial for your videos, how to turn it up step by step, how this can help boost your views and grow your channel faster. First, let me explain what embedding is. Embeddings allow other people to share your videos on their websites, blogs, and social media. When they do this, your videos show up directly on their platform, and anyone who watches it adds to your total views on YouTube. This can also help you discover by new viewers who might not found your videos. It is like putting your videos out there without extra effort. Think about it. There are thousands of websites and blogs that might feature your content, but if only your embedding is turned on, without it, you are missing out a huge opportunity of growth. Now, let's talk about how you actually turn this setting on. It is super easy, but so many people forget to check this out. Head over to YouTube Studio, go to the content and pick the video you want to adjust. Click on details, scroll down to advanced setting section and select more. Please scroll down until you find the setting we are looking for. Continue scrolling down. Now, and this is it, the allow embedding. Just click on this. If your section is off, please turn it on, because this setting will allow you to get more views and people will use your content to publish on their sites. And that is it. Now people can embed your videos on their sites, many more views for you. Here is the magic. Once embedding is turned on, your videos can show up in places like forums, blog, social media, and even on email newsletters. Let's say a popular blog feature your video. That is a whole new audience you're tapping into. And because the views from this external platform count towards your total views, it can help your platform better in YouTube algorithm too. YouTube will see that people are engaging on your content across the web and start recommending it to even more viewers out there. So turning this setting on doesn't just increase your views directly, it helps you rank better and get more organic traffic. Plus, with YouTube constantly updating their algorithm, any extra engagement like this is a huge burst, so why miss out? So now that you know about this powerful setting, I want you to head to your YouTube studio and check if embedding is turned on for all your videos. This one small step could boost your views and bring in more subscribers than you expect. Don't wait. Do it now. Also, if you are serious about growing your YouTube channel, drop the word grow in the comment section so we can support each other on this journey. I will be replying to all comments and you make sure to subscribe to the channels you see commenting. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell, because I will be dropping more tips to help you grow your channel faster. If you want to gain subscribers even faster, I've got another strategy for you. Click to watch my video on how I went from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in just 2 months. I break down the exact step I took, and trust me, you don't want to miss it, and it's going to help you grow your channel even faster. Go check it out. Now, bye bye. Have a blessed night.